Hello my dear friends, today we will go for the safety tour to fire control room. Let's go, I will show you what is interesting inside. And this is the fire control room. Here you can find all IMO symbols which describe what is the equipment inside. This is powder release station remote, CO2, emergency fire pump, EBD, telephone, fire plan, extinguisher and everything. Yeah, it's located on main deck on starboard side. And let's go inside, let's check what is it. This is like general overview, yeah, and one by one now I will explain all the system what we have inside. And we will start from quick closing valve. Yeah, this cabinet for control of all fuel valves, yeah, to close remotely. Here the list which we can for auxiliary engine, for main engine, all list of tanks. Here the all closing valves description. Yeah, you can find which section, which type of valve you can close. And here inside you have like group of valves, yeah, which will operated by this air, and it will close the valves. This is high pressurized inside air, and it will close remotely the valves for supply the fuel to main engine, auxiliary engine and everything inside the engine room. Yeah, this is this fire panel. We have main panel at on the bridge, and this is like repeater. Yeah, all alarms is coming here, and same panel we have at engine control room. Here you can find ESD panel. This is, as I told you at my previous video, have for cargo system and for dual fuel system. Dual fuel system ESD activate and for dual fuel and for cargo system together, and cargo system only for cargo system. It's don't have any relation to fuel system. This is like ESD1 and ESD2. This is some test reset. This is general alarm button to sign, yeah, 7 short 1 long. This is public address. Main panel we have on bridge, and this is also backup. Here you press on button. After all call, it will activate all lines and you will talk to all accommodation and all ship. Yeah, this is damper. Here, as you can see, all is open. Some need to change bulbs. We will tell the electrician to change. Now all dampers is open, yeah, and fans is working. This is for stop the fans. Yeah, this is normally for engine room, accommodation, cargo area, bosun store, and here you can find the location in case of fire. Yeah, you just press and it will stop all fans. This is pump. We have deck spray pump, emergency fire pump, one fire pump and general service pump, and second one. This we can connect to deck spray line. It's interchange. Here you can find the also dampers. This is like only indication, yeah, as this one you can stop all remotely. These dampers, fans, blah blah blah. This is switch for this. This is CO2 relay. This is only like indication in case CO2 leaking. Buzzer, if you open the cabinet, it will give alarm. This is test button, and here the pre-activation. When CO2 will be released, it will go to time delay unit, and around 40 seconds you have to escape the area which will be extinguished by CO2, or engine room or compressor room. It will give some alarm, and this alarm will come here and show to this panel, yeah, and you will have time to escape because CO2 will kill you. This is deck spray. Also we have remote operated valves by air. We have 4 sections totally, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like isolate on deck the section of deck spray line. This is emergency supply water, and this deck spray pump starter. Yeah, we can start from CCR, from bridge and from engine room. This is water mist system. We have same like backup repeater panel, main at engine room, This is second one like backup, and the third one on bridge we have repeater also. On bridge we have only like indication panel, and here we can operate same like engine room. Here manual call point, some telephone, emergency telephone, general alarm, this abandoned ship horn, this is water spray, yeah, it's showing the signal, no sign, image sign. This is fire panel sign, and this is our CO2 and DCP remote control cabinet. Yeah, this one for CO2 system for compressor room. It's very easy to operate. You just broke the glass, take the key, open the cabinet. Inside you will have one big cylinder. Normally it can be two, but sometimes only one. It's pilot cylinder. You activate, it will give the pressure to main station. It will activate locally, and the CO2 after some delay will be released to compressor room. Same at engine room. Yeah, we have later I will detailedly explain and discuss about CO2 room. Yeah, I will show all tour at CO2 room also with quantity of cylinder and everything. This is DCP release. Yeah, we have main extinguishing fire extinguishing system on deck. It's DCP and X-spray. Yeah, this is like instruction for activation DCP. Also I will make separate video for DCP room and DCP box activation. Same situation, but for CO2, when you open this cabinet, it will give alarm. When you activate DCP, it don't give any alarm. It's just open and activate same cylinder, open this valve, and it will give pressure to main station and activate to necessary location. Yeah, this is international shore connection. We have, I think everybody knows, 4 washer bolts, 8 washers, bolts, some nuts, this gasket, some spanners. Everything must be in place because port control is checking it, and 2 EBD. That's all, guys. I think this is enough. Don't want to make this video very long. Thank you for your time. Remember that all LSA FFA equipment must have some emergency procedure, yeah, how to use it. And here we have for DCP, for CO2, all this procedure inside. That's why you need to be prepared in case of inspector will ask. At least you can check the instruction and you will find the explanation if you don't know. But remember that all crew must know the operation of all LSA FFA emergency equipment on board. And this is also for manifold during cargo operation. See you. Thank you for your time.